your food? Have you come for your food? Yes, you have.
Madalina discovered these field dogs 5 years ago after they had been abandoned. If she hadn't found them, they would have starved to death.
Oh, bless them.
Every other day, Madalina makes the 35 kilometers round trip to the disused industrial area, surrounded by endless fields. The sight of all the dogs running out of nowhere to greet her is heartwarming, to say the least. They recognize her and they know that their meal has arrived. It takes over 2 hours to feed the dogs, as it's such a huge area. There are around 60 to 100 dogs living in this area, mainly larger crossbreed dogs, but recently many puppies have also been abandoned here. Some of the dogs have been here for years, some died or vanished, but always new ones are being abandoned. Most of the females are already spayed by Madalina, who is aware that it is the only way to control the problem. Because most of the female dogs are scared of being touched, Madalina needs to bring the vet, who tranquilizes the dogs with the darts, to take them to a clinic to perform the spay surgery. Although Madalina manages to feed the dogs every other day, we would love for her to go and to be able to travel every day, but at the minute the cost of gas and food is just too high. Without Madalina feeding these abandoned dogs, they would surely die. Please donate, or consider setting up a monthly donation so we can ensure that these dogs have at least full tummies.
Bless the little hearts.
To donate, visit our website www.k-9angels.org. You can also donate via PayPal. Donate at k-9angels.co.uk.